Welcome to Saucy Cat. My name's Zoe, and you can't have Halloween without ghosts floating around giving you spooks and causing a ruckus. So let's make some adorably spooky treats with these vegan ghost meringues. Let's get into it. These ghosts are super easy to summon up, but a wee bit time consuming. First, drain out the water from 1 can of chickpeas. Save the chickpeas for a future recipe, perhaps this delicious chana masala. This chickpea liquid is pretty magical. It's called aquafaba and is a perfect substitute for egg whites when it comes to baking. Pour the liquid into a stand mixer and turn that bad boy on as high as it'll go. You can also use a hand mixer, but we will be beating these from 15 to 20 minutes, which will definitely tire your arms out. After about 5 minutes, the aquafaba should be getting foamy, and after 10, it should be a bit thicker. Depending on your mixer, you may want to occasionally scrape the sides of the bowl so that all the aquafaba is getting evenly mixed up. After 15 to 20 minutes, you should have these soft peaks in the foam, which means it's time for the next step. Measure out 2/3 cup of sugar and add about a spoonful into the foam. Continue blending on high until the sugar is fully incorporated before adding another spoonful. Slowly add more sugar until all the sugar has been mixed in. This is also the time to add any additional flavoring such as vanilla extract. Just be sure not to add too much extra liquid in, as it can mess up our foam and ruin this texture we got. The sugar has made this foam much thicker and stronger, so now let's bake it. Get out a large lined baking sheet and add the mixture into a piping bag, or if you don't have one like me, a Ziploc bag with the tip cut off. Carefully pipe out the mixture onto the baking sheet into small 1-inch circles. Leave about a 1-inch gap between each. Now plop that pan into a preheated 200-degree oven for 1.5 hours. Remove from the oven and let them cool for about 20 minutes. Then, using a toothpick and your favorite chocolate syrup, bring these ghosts to life. Except ghosts are dead. So, bring them to death? That doesn't sound right either. Let's just make them pretty. Now that these spirits are hauntingly cute, let's plate this dish. Time to give my mouth a fright. These are honestly just like cotton candy. They just completely disappear and disintegrate in your mouth. They're really weird and fun. Well, that does it for today. Let me know how you spook up your kitchen in the comments down below. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on Saucy Cat.
Filled it too much. There we go.